Jason, nine more games until the end of the season. What would you say is the state of mind now in players of Olympia, in Olympia dressing room?
I think everyone is calm and nothing changes really. If there's 9 games or 5 games left, the most important thing is to continue what we are doing. I think we're at a good way, and the results are showing that we're in a good way. When I first came here in January in the winter break, we were 3 points behind Maribor, and now we are 5 points in front. So we just have to continue working hard, I think staying humble and continuing the game plan. And the most important thing, I think, is just to concentrate about each game as they come. We have Celje this week, and that's the only game that we have to be thinking about. And then after that, we have to think about the next game and only concentrate about that, not to worry about Maribor, or to worry about Domžale, or how many points we are in front, or is the gap getting bigger or smaller. The most important thing is just to concentrate about each game as they come, work hard, stay consistent, and listen to the coaching staff. We have a game plan, and at the moment, until now, since I've been here, it's been working well. So yeah, the most important thing is just to put our heads down, to keep working hard. This is the business end of the season, and this is the most important. This is when you win the championship or not, at the end, not if you play well in the middle or the start of the season. It's now. So we're confident, everybody's confident, we're in a good position, and now we just have to keep working hard and stay focused.
You will play against Celje for the 4th time in a month or so, so you've gotten to know them really well, and you know what to expect from them.
Yeah, they're a tough team. If you look at the Pokal, then the home and away, it wasn't an easy game in both games. So we have to really work hard to concentrate in a game like this, because it's not a normal game in football where you play a team so many times. So tactics, it's both teams are going to know how each other is going to play. So for us, the most important thing is that we have to go away and get the job done again. We played, I think it was last week away in Celje, and we won the game, and we have to do that again this week. Tactically, it's going to be difficult because, like I said, both teams know how each other are going to play. So we just have to step up now and make sure we get the job done.
You've been here for 3 months. You've gotten to know Ljubljana, you've gotten to know the city, the players, the coach, the tactics, everything. How do you like it? Also the weather. Last 2 or 3 days, more the weather, you're used to it in Australia.
Yeah, the weather's been amazing the last few days. Since I was here, it's been very cold, but it's nice to experience different things. And like I said to everybody that's asked me, I was very surprised how beautiful and how nice the people, not the people, but Ljubljana and even Slovenia, the country, from what I've seen. I didn't expect what it was going to be as nice as it was, and the people have been fantastic to myself and to my family, and everybody speaks English, and the coaching staff, the players, everybody's been very warm to me, and it's like I said, it's been a fantastic experience since I've been here. And for me, the most important thing now is to work hard to win the championship and to win the cup, so I can look back at this last 6 months and say, everything went perfect. And nothing in football goes perfectly usually, but hopefully, we can get the job done, and I can look back at these 6 months with great memories.
Jason, thank you very much.